The All Nilip Youth had on Wednesday celebrated its second birth anniversary program in conjunction with the third youth meet. The program was held at Lukiram Rongpar village in Upper Degrum under Nilip MSC constituency. It was organized in this village as a tribute to the two innocent girls who were murdered last month. To begin the program, All Nilip Youth President Nilip Timung unfurled the organization's flag in the morning, and it was followed by floral tribute and lighting of candles in the memory of Subita Hansepi and Anisha Intipi. A painting session was also conducted before the public meeting was held. The public meeting cum awareness program began at 12 noon and was chaired by the President Nilip Timung and assisted by the Secretary Sotro Singh Tiso. Among the guests who attended the event were Assistant Professor of Dipu Golf College Megi Katharpi, KSA President Thang Singh Timung and Simeon Rongpar, All Nilip Youth Advisor Barnabas Killing, former KACMAC Samson Tiso, actress Hunmili Teronpi, Atulin Tokbipi, several SGBs and local leaders. Speaking in the occasion, Assistant Professor Megi Katharpi emphasized on the role of govt, parents as well as individual efforts for development of education. She also said that only collective efforts can bring proper educational atmosphere in the region. All Nilip Youth Advisor expressed his disappointment over the negligence of the authority towards the constituency. He lamented on the poor condition of infrastructure including road as well as other facilities in the area. He said that if the KAC leaders attended the program, they could have known the poor condition under which people are living.
Nang lidak kiwang pen ning karong rumam.
Sonni lam do. Son bangge ining karong. Aben ining oi tadu. Ining oi pen ajok sini dak ba. Kali sonte apa mungkin dan ithando ni bang beda da cho anu ka prek ke bang ji tum tadu ulang bang tek service da tum tadu ulang ke than kon ji pan setame ining ko oi adim bang ke lalo non het imu martum apran ke dam nang ju acham ke dam nang ju ke ining oi me me de na pen aphang ben kulo itum kar bi ham phang lo ke sorlo din hepik ikul ke chelar tang ke chenglo chelar dok to di sorlo phana dim ke pek o loka charli kuno ka do ko ve hina na tuta sorlo phan ka dim pe peko pen itum kar bi pen kaning je ver ke na pulo supin sunon sorlo no arna mang thiang kroilo budi la sila so hin pele lang dam lu pulo tang pe sorlo dim ke the pe ke tu piniar ni bang adim le lang dam pusu tami tu kar bi ke sorlo tum ke adim the o sitame la hai hu ang thekno nang ke klang bom ke itum aham phang ke abi vi tu warna tu ke dam nang kang dalo la sila bang so dima bang ke abang prutin na sorlo pen imu mar tum an sitame chichini nang ji alang tum loka charli jakong alang li tumari deng di sarkar pen sitame tum ham phang men sitame ki pitang do elo la sila bang so jakong bang ke alang tum chirim dun pa men nang ji pe potum an sitame la bang so jakong ke ki pidun thura kapathe kapading ra la tum pacan jai ji phan la tum phan ajakong an so se jakong horang pidun nang ji la pen ining karong bang ke la lo
atok bidam lupute bang rat nang thelongi ke bang tuman nang thelongi na suke ma thapen isi bag nang chakangi made nang bunai pi manji nang bunai pi ponji ma development made isi bag development nang pi ponji ma pomen be setum an khelu mane alwi ke chuhang ke bang ke kostu ke dubo ni chini la tame da nang binang ko ka thegel han athe ilitum thelong lo churu da churu nei ilitum CM sar tame ke da madi man da isi hini ke chakang mane bachun da bachun ben pon son thak si hola nitum nitum bas ke hang pen nitum hana pipit poteng sonak taksi alang nitum dagwang pen ang thekang long ke sung ke duk pima ke thekang long kawi ke thekang long putin nitum memorandum ke pidunji horam memorandum long ke tokdo hoso ke tok long pese alang tum isi hini ke thom privet le pachun pestame nitum dak All Nilip Youth matela dak lukramong phararong pensame aning sampo
enlo la pen chingkilo kachingki ka chethana teng pen ke thekdam long bang ke lalo la pen result bang ke lalo nile tum dak awareness ka we isi bang ke la pen isi bang ke development ka we la sub bang so jeni si muni tum kwan ma ke paprang du nang ji tum paprang du de lo kwan ma ke charli ke thek nang ye dim tum thek dum de lo pasi o we kimi tum phan kang thur ponji phan mate tuwar ke me loti ke me ke than ponji phan si All Nilip Youth same seng ban lo pasi la bang so o we kimi tum kaching room la bang ke tum isia ja kong lo nile tum kaching room pensi labang so hawars tame paching thur ponji phani tum mori ponpo pasi pini labang so mailan ni tum dat inglong long ni na kipi pun bangila no.
More than 600 people of the locality attended the event and added charm to the celebration. Samson Ingti from Koilamati, Longsudar Ingti from Dipu along with Sonjit Crow's report from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live.